Imagine a critical system suddenly failing without a whisper, no indication of what went wrong or why. How do you even begin to understand the chaos, let alone fix it? The absence of error logging fundamentally cripples a system's ability to provide insight into its own operation, transforming routine debugging into a frustrating, time-consuming, and often impossible task. Without proper error logging, you are essentially operating in the dark when an issue arises. The first major problem is a complete lack of visibility into the system's internal state and execution flow. When an unexpected error occurs, there is no recorded trail of events, no sequence of operations, and no data values to review. This makes it incredibly difficult to reproduce problems, especially those intermittent bugs that seem to appear and disappear without warning. You cannot see the precise conditions that led to the failure, turning debugging into a costly guessing game. This directly leads to prolonged debugging cycles and significantly increases your mean time to resolution, or MTTR, delaying fixes and impacting productivity. Moreover, effective post-mortem analysis becomes practically impossible. You are left without the crucial historical data needed to understand why a system crashed or if a security breach occurred. This also severely impacts user experience and overall system reliability, as errors persist longer and confidence in the software erodes. In practical terms, without a log, you cannot connect the dots between seemingly unrelated events that precede a failure. You miss out on the context surrounding an error, like which user triggered it, what data was being processed, or what external systems were involved. This absence prevents you from identifying recurring patterns or subtle correlations that could point to a root cause, making preventative measures nearly impossible. This unseen problem is why industry experts emphasize the concept of observability, which is more than just logging. It encompasses metrics, tracing, and structured logging to provide a complete picture. A key insider detail is understanding that high-quality error logs are not just about recording a message, but about capturing rich, contextual data like request IDs, user IDs, and system component versions. This turns a simple error message into a forensic tool. Ultimately, neglecting error logging transforms software maintenance from a methodical process into a frantic scramble. It undermines your ability to build robust, secure, and maintainable systems, leading to increased operational costs, decreased user satisfaction, and significant technical debt. Implementing comprehensive error logging is a cornerstone of responsible software development, empowering teams to swiftly diagnose, understand, and resolve issues, ensuring the smooth and reliable operation of their applications.
If this helps you fix faster, like, subscribe, and keep debugging with us.